Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. The good news, the snow is melting, but there's bad news too. That snow melt and recent rain causing flooding throughout the region, washing out roads and flooding homes. KXLY4's Grace Ditzler working for you now. Grace, you found some places that are really bad.
Yeah, Nadine, Colbert Road right now in Colbert. This is an area that has been closed all day long because of the flooding. You can see that it's a few inches deep right now, but neighbors tell me earlier today it was much worse.
Jerry Jordan had a bad feeling when she woke up this morning.
Well, I had a dream last night and I got up this morning and I went, oops, it's real.
Her entire backyard and this portion of Colbert Road is flooded. Jerry's basement was filling up with water, so she and other neighbors rushed to the road to attack the berms, preventing the water from flowing into the creek, while her husband pumped water out of their home.
I was pretty upset when I knew it was going to go in my house, so I just decided to do this and keep it. Hopefully, we'll just keep it out of the basement.
And this isn't the only spot in North Spokane County dealing with flooding today. Just a few miles away, this road looks more like a waterway than a street.
I stepped out of the car here on Ballard Road, and some of the asphalt is literally crumbling away because of the moving water.
And a few miles away, Judy Weinman woke up to find flooding in her backyard, too.
A little bit amazed that this much water accumulated overnight because yesterday it looked fine.
Much of Judy's 20-acre property is underwater. Her neighbors' fields didn't escape the flooding either.
You can barely tell, but this flooded area is actually someone's driveway. Now it's part of the flooding that is covering Dunn Road.
Judy has lived here for more than 40 years and says this is not common.
I think there's a lot of water, but this is about the second time since we've lived out here that it's been this bad.
Both Judy and Jerry say they're ready for this wild winter weather to be over.
One spring. It has been crazy.
The county closed 8 sections of road today, and that there are more than 30 places, including this one, that the county is watching. Officials are watching because of that flooding, and the county wants to remind people to pay attention to those road closure signs. There's reasons that they close them, and you just don't know the conditions of the roads if you try to drive through them. Reporting live in Colbert tonight, Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News. All right.